Hey there, this is Rob Wells, the Landlord Warrior, here with another Landlord Warrior quick tip for you landlords and property managers out there. Rob's tip of the day is be decisive and be proactive with managing your residential tenancies. Had a landlord the other day was talking about how their tenants weren't paying rent, several months behind, but didn't want to evict the tenants. And we go over the options, obviously tell them, hey, you can do a non-payment of rent type of case, or you can try to work with tenants. However, this landlord, just hadn't been getting any movement or any type of progress with getting a payment plan in place with the tenants. So just telling them, your last option is to just go on non-payment of rent, but they didn't want to do that because they didn't want to be the bad guy. Listen, sometimes in life, you're just gonna have to be the bad guy, unless you just want to, just put up with something, and just, deal with the consequences of, say your tenant not paying rent. Sometimes there's no good way of breaking bad news. You just have to do it. You don't have to be a jerk about it, but it's a business relationship. It's a business transaction, and if your tenant's not paying, they can't stay, because you're running a business here. So I just encourage you, landlords and property managers, if you're facing a non-payment of rent situation, or you're just dealing with a problem issue, you need to just address it. It's easier to address things early than let them fester and then go on. And in this case for rent, hey, you get 4, 5, 6 months behind, then you're just out that money. So just a quick tip of the day. This is the Landlord Warrior, Rob Wells here. If you got comments, questions, whatever, just put them down below. Until then, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.